Let's dive into controlling your pool and spa with Crestron Home, making it easy to create the perfect backyard experience. From the Rooms page, tap on Yard. Here, you'll find all the controls for your pool, right at your fingertips. You can adjust the heater temperature, control auxiliary water features, and customize your lighting. Want to simplify even further? Work with your integrator to create scenes that automate multiple services, like pool heaters, covers, spa jets, and lighting, all at once. Spa controls are just as simple. Adjust settings, combine them with scenes, and enjoy a fully automated, relaxing experience. That's a look at controlling your pool and spa with Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.